Going in for the score, touchdown. Let's go, Brian! Let's go! Get up! No.
Tell me about the game tonight and how it felt to win.
Well, it's always good to win, but the preparation this week, our guys practiced really well this week. It just felt good all week in practice, and I knew we were going to have a great effort. They came out right away, and we put points on the board. We stopped them on the 3 and out pretty much on their first drive, and we scored right away, and we kind of set the tone for the game. And our guys just kept playing hard all night long.
Carter Snyder had a block punt tonight, and you returned it to for a touchdown. How did that feel?
It felt just electrifying. It brought the whole team up after that because we went down, we scored, and we're on D. We stop him. He blocks that punt. It came right to me. I knew what to do. I ran. I got into the end zone, and it brought the whole team up for the rest of the game.
You're a senior on the team. How did tonight's win feel for you?
Tonight's win felt really great because it wasn't just an upperclassman kind of job. All week, everybody put in the work. Everybody was working hard. Every practice, we all came out. Everybody was pitching in from freshman to senior. And this win tonight, coming out and getting everything done, doing our job, everyone trusting in one another. The freshmen coming in, working on kickoff when everyone's tired. It's a great feeling. It was fun, and I'm glad to have all of these kids on our team working together, and it's been a ride.